Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. DJI Air 2S Drone Quadcopter UAV. DJI is a big name in drones, and it's easy to see why. The brand's drones consistently feature some of the best cameras on the market and frequently include essential ease-of-use features for pilots of all skill levels. The Air 2S is a great example of a 4K camera drone that is a good fit for amateurs and pros alike. The DJI Air 2S is capable of recording 4K video at 60 frames per second, 30 FPS is more common, and it can even record 5.4K video at 30 frames per second. Its camera hardware is also packed with features designed to give the clearest possible image while flying, preserving most colors even when it gets dark outside. The obstacle detection features really stand out for working in 4 directions, up/down, front/back, whereas similar models can manage 2, at most. At under $750, the Air 2S is an excellent deal for beginners and more advanced users, capable of recording incredibly detailed footage while keeping itself safe with obstacle detection. For an extra $300, you can opt for the Fly More bundle common to DJI models, which includes spare parts and extra batteries. Be mindful of the drone's internal storage space, which is only 8 GB and can easily fill up in a few minutes if shooting in 4K resolution. If this is a concern, consider purchasing additional storage in the form of microSD cards. Detects and avoids obstacles in 4 directions. Records up to 5.4K video at 30 frames per second. Captures clear, colorful images, even at night. Includes intelligent features to track objects smoothly. Number 2. Parrot ANIF FPV Drone Set. Most full-feature drones include a camera for aerial photography and capturing mementos of your coolest flights. However, drone cameras generally only tilt 90 degrees, front-facing and downward-facing, which can greatly limit the type of shots you can record. Parrot's ANIF FPV drone features a full 180 degrees tilt camera that can record from high up facing down, or close to the ground facing up. As with many models in its price range, $700 to $1,000, the ANIF FPV is capable of recording 4K video. It features a zoom of up to 4x magnification, though many users report the video quality suffers if zoomed in past 2x. It also has a dolly mode, allowing you to take impressive Alfred Hitchcock-style videos with just the push of a button. Given that this is considered a budget camera drone, under $1,000, it lacks some ease-of-use features that are helpful to beginners, specifically in obstacle detection mode. This means that pilots will have to be extra careful when attempting elaborate video shots to avoid permanently damaging the drone. It's also important to watch the drone's flight time since it is up to 25 minutes. That's on the lower end of flight time for comparable models, 30 to 35 minutes. Camera can tilt a full 180 degrees. Strong zoom, 4x, and dolly mode for quality videos. Capable of recording 4K video. Comfortable cockpit glasses for drone POV. Number 3. DJI Mini 2 Foldable Drone Quadcopter. A good camera drone can easily set you back over $500 and will likely require FAA registration. The DJI Mini 2 is a compact and affordable drone that's ideal for beginners looking to polish their aerial photography skills while staying under the FAA registration weight limits. For about $450, it sports a stabilized 4K camera and GPS features to help it return in case of emergency. And it is so small it can be folded to fit snugly in a jacket or pants pocket. For such a small drone, it has a respectable flight time of roughly 30 minutes, though for an extra $150, around $600 total, you can purchase the Fly More combo that includes additional batteries. The Mini 2 comes with a number of intelligent modes for easier video recording, including a trimmed download feature that lets you use shorter segments of a long take for quicker uploading to online storage or social media. For all its convenience, it's important to keep in mind that the Mini 2 has no obstacle avoidance features, which is particularly relevant if you're a beginner. The Mini 2 can handle wind speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, though, so obstacles shouldn't be too big of an issue as long as you're flying outdoors. Light enough to not require FAA registration. Very affordably priced for the value. Compact, foldable design to fit in a pocket. Intelligent modes for video recording and saving. Number 4. PowerVision PowerEgg X Wizard Waterproof Drone. If you're looking for a unique drone that will especially come in handy as you fly near bodies of water, the PowerEgg X Wizard is a great choice. Not only is it capable of recording 4K video, but it is fully waterproof and comes with pontoon attachments that allow it to float on water, opening up new possibilities for interesting clips. The PowerEgg X Wizard can also be used as a high-quality camcorder. By removing all of its attachments, pontoons, propellers, you can turn the flying camera into a handheld. Just bear in mind that starting or stopping a recording session requires the use of a smartphone, instead of any physical buttons on the drone itself. While this doesn't detract from the drone's utility, it can be a nuisance for some users. Despite the fact that it can record 4K video, the drone's camera sensor is not the best, which means that achieving consistent video quality needs perfect lighting conditions every time. Even so, the overall video quality is solid, and this is one of the few drones that can be used in bad weather, making it an ideal choice for rainy day shots. Works in rainy weather and floats on water. Converts into a handheld camcorder. Features slow motion and time-lapse effects. Has 5 wind resistance levels for stability. Number 5. DJI FPV Combo Goggles V2 First-Person View Drone. Drones can be considered successors to the remote-controlled planes and helicopters of the past, even though they are still very much around. It makes sense, then, that some people would want to test their piloting skills by racing their drones. DJI's FPV, which stands for First-Person View, drone is a speedy model that can scratch your racing itch while making you feel like you're truly in the cockpit of an aircraft. Like many of DJI's popular models, the FPV can capture 4K video and has software-based video stabilization features to ensure your recordings look smooth and crisp. It also has basic collision detection to automatically dodge any obstacles in front or beneath it, as long as you're not going too fast. The most notable feature of the DJI FPV is its incredibly fast top speed. Reaching up to 87 miles per hour, this drone is ideal for racing, although you will definitely want to fly it in wide-open outdoor spaces to avoid potential injuries or damage to the drone. The FPV also includes first-person view goggles, which, considering the cost of the drone, just under $1,000, makes this a very good deal. Captures smooth and crisp 4K video. Includes first-person view goggles. High top speed of 87 miles per hour. Basic collision detection to automatically dodge obstacles.